Geneva wheel-based auto roll punching machine presented by M. Ramachandran, M. Karthik Pandi, M. P. Venkatesan, guided by Mr. Parani, ME PhD. Introduction. In this auto roll punching machine consists of two sections. One section is automatic metal sheet feeding mechanism, and the second section is conversion of rotary motion into linear reciprocating motion of punching tool. The Geneva wheel shaft is supported on two plumber block bearings. The sprocket wheel transmits the rotary motion from the Geneva wheel to the metal sheet feeding rollers through a chain drive. Hence, the Geneva wheel is rotated. The metal sheet also moved from punching operation. The second section consists of electrically operated DC motor, plumber block bearings, crank wheel with spring connecting rod and punching tool. The punch tool slide is reciprocated by connecting the crank wheel through the connecting rod. The metal sheet is fed automatically by the rotation of Geneva wheel. Literature survey. Development and application of Geneva mechanism for bottle washing. A water pump connected to the pipes and pipe fitting from the channeling of water through the nozzle. The solenoid valve connected limited switch of the regulation of water flow during the bottle washing operation. Bottle holders that grip the bottle at the neck. An electric motor that provides the rotational motion transmitted to the shafts. The pure rolling cam equivalent of the Geneva mechanism. The paper deals with the kinematic synthesis of pure rolling cam mechanism, kinematically equivalent to the conventional Geneva mechanism. The conjugate profiles of the primary mechanism are obtained from the centroids of the relative motion of the Geneva mechanism. Assembly of Geneva punching machine. Working principle. This machine is auto roll punching machine. It consists of Geneva wheel, frame, driver disc, gear, lever, roller, shaft and plumber block. Geneva wheel is connected to the motor. When motor starts, the Geneva wheel is rotated and the wheel is operated through the disc. The shaft is placed between the disc and the gear. Plumber block is fixed at each end of the shaft. The two gears are connected by using the chain drive. The gear is used to transmit the power from the gear to roller. Finally, the worksheet is automatically punched in required distance. Problem identification. In conventional punching machine, the job is to be marked before punching operation and set the alignment of the workpiece with the punch tool. In this project, Geneva wheel internment drive, the job is feeding automatically during the return stroke of the punching operation. Scope of the project. Operation is very smooth and in the system we can't get more output by applying less effort. Simple construction by introducing Geneva wheel disc drive transmission. Job is fed automatically. Low cost automation, less maintenance. 2D view of frame. 2D view of roller and shaft. 2D view of driver disc and Geneva disc. 2D view of gear. 2D view of plumber block. Design calculations and specifications. Design calculations of cam drive. Principles of DC motor. Ratings of motor. Motors are rated by their voltage, current draw, output speed and torque. Power supply unit. Filtering circuit and voltage regulators. Block diagram for power supply. Specifications. Resistors R1 and R2 maintain line load regulations with without capacitor and with capacitor. Without capacitor, voltage average equal to 1.5 to 1.2. Voltage 13.80, pulsating DC. Frequencies 0 Hz, frequencies 100 Hz with 7812 voltage regulator. Result and discussions. The machine is more advantage of other types of punching machine since it is more easier to operate, comfortable automatic job feeding arrangements and also less time consumption, easy handling, etc. Conclusion. It is concluded that any system can be operated with help of mechanism. We have simply completed the project work on using punching machine at our college. By doing this project work, we understood the working principle of use DC motor, Geneva mechanism, roller, chain drives, etc. Once again, we express our sincere thanks to our staff members.